Hello children, very good morning to you. Let's continue the new lesson of yours from your social studies, okay? That is 8th lesson, the climate of our country. In this lesson, we are going to discuss about what is the climatic condition of our country. Got it? So in this lesson, that is first topic is about weather and climate. Before we are going to discuss about the climatic condition of our country, we must know about the weather also. Okay, so what is weather? That is one of the question. Okay, so if we are talking about one particular place or a particular time, okay, means climatic condition or atmospheric condition, if we are telling, means that is about the weather we are talking. Okay, means here for example, if take an example, today it is too cold. Okay, so we are talking about the weather, means for a particular time and the particular place we are talking, no, that is a weather. Okay, but this is the season of winter. Okay, so winter means we are talking about the climatic condition, means weather is depending on a particular place and particular time, and also it affects on a short period. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ವೆದರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ cold hot, sometime we are telling about this day is too hot, we are facing like that, we are telling, no, that is we are talking about the weather. Sometimes some days cloudy, too cloudy, it is like that we are talking, and that is also we are telling about the weather. That is not a climate. Sometimes we are making a mistake, we are telling, see what is the climatic condition today, like that we are telling, no, that is completely wrong. Climatic condition means that is affecting on a long area and also for a long period of time. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ವೆದರ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ಗೆ ಅಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿತಿನ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದಟ್ ವೆದರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಆರ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ವೆದರು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಟೈಮಿಂಗ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ after a hour it may change again, we are facing as a hot, like that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಇವಾಗ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಫುಲ್ ಡೇ ಕೋಲ್ಡೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸನ್ನಿ or it can maybe cloudy, like that. This changes we are calling as a weather. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪರ್ಟಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇನ್ ಅವರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಸಮ್ ಅದರ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸನ್ನಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಟ್ನೆಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ. So this is about the weather, means it is depending on a particular time and the particular place. But climate is different. It is affecting on a large area and also it is affecting on a long period of time. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ವೆದರ್ ಥರ ಇದೇನಾಗಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆರ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ಡೇ ಟು ಡೇ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್? Climate is constant. Okay, so this is about the climatic condition. In your textbook they have given about that examples like that about the climate. Okay, it is very cold in the Himadri. We already discussed about Himadri, higher part of the Himalayas. Is it right? So in the place of Himadri, that is too cold, means that is constant for a long period. Okay, so that is about the climatic condition. If we are going to say about that it is too cold today in the Himadri, like that, is it possible to say? No, that is not changing for hour or a minute or a day, like that. Okay, it is constant for the long period alva. Himadri ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಸ್ನೋ ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲಾಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್. So I thought it is clearly understood to you what is the difference between weather and the climatic condition. Okay, yes. So next topic is the climate of a place. The climate of a place. Yes, how that climatic conditions, now only we said about like that. In the part of northern region of our country, that is sometime, means that a long time it is facing a cold climatic condition. If we are coming down part or a southern part of our country, we are started to face a hot climatic condition or a moderate climatic condition. Okay, so which is depending on this which factors depending on the changes of climatic condition we are going to discuss. So in that, first one is that first factors depending on the climatic condition of the place means how far away it is from the equator. So this is one of the factors. Okay, this is one of the factor affecting on the climatic condition of the region. How that places far away from the equator is can make changes in the climatic condition of the region means, see here, this is equator. Okay, this is equator. What are the places near to the region of equator? What are the places near to the equator? That places are facing to hotness here. Means hot climatic condition. Okay. If we are moving far from the equator. Okay. Moving far from the equator, we are started to face cold climatic condition. Why it is happening? Because of the sun rays falling on the equator. Direct sun rays are falling in the place of the equator. So near regions are hot regions. Okay, slanting rays are falling if we are moving far from the equator. So these places are facing cold or a moderate climatic condition. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. ಈಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ನಿಯರ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವಂತ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಗಳು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಎ ಹಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ನಿಯರ್ ದ ಈಕ್ವೇಟರ್. ನಾವೇನಾದ್ರೂ ಈಕ್ವೇಟರ್ ಇಂದ ದೂರ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ವೇರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಏನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. If we are moving near to the pole regions, means northern pole and the southern pole, we are facing an too cold climatic condition. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ice covered region also. So it is one of the factors affecting on the climatic condition. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes. Next about second one is that places how high it is like that. Places how high it is like that. That is another one of the factors affecting on the climatic condition. Okay, so this is one of the region. This is one of the region. From this region, okay, and this is the region, ground region. If we are moving up from the region, we are started to face the coolness, cool climatic condition. Take an example that mountain regions. Okay, comparing to these region, mountain regions are having an cold climatic condition. Some mountains are having a snow covered and very cold climatic condition also. People can't live in that region, no. So this is another one of the factor. Okay, in this also take an example of Himalayas. That is one of the height region. Okay, highest regions from the earth or earth surfaces, no. So if we are moving up of that mountain region, it is started to feel as a cold. Okay, so it is also another one of the factor affecting on the ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನಾವೊಂದು ಈ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವೋ, ಈ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ಗೂ ಹೈಯರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ಗೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯರ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಎನ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಹೈಟ್ಗೆ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲೈಮೇಟ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕೂಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಒನ್ ಇಸ್ how far it is from the sea, how far places are from the sea region. That is also another one factors. Okay, if that places near to the sea region means that is having a moderate climatic condition. Why it is having a moderate climatic condition? Moderate means that is not too cold or not too hot like that. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ನಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ತುಂಬಾ ಹಾಟ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಓವರ್ ಕೋಲ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ಸು ಇರಲ್ಲ. Okay, that is one of the moderate climatic condition. Why it is like that means because of the breeze. Okay, sea breeze. Breeze means nothing. What is the meaning of breeze? Breeze means winds blowing from the sea to land. Okay, that is calling as a sea breeze. So in the time of morning, means in the time of sunny, okay, that sea water getting heat ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಸನ್ನಿ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, sea water ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, because of the sun rays it is getting to started to get heat. So in that time, that what winds blowing from the sea region to land, no, that winds carrying some heat, okay, heat to the land. So because of the heat breeze, that near places are getting hot climatic condition. Okay, and in the time of night, that sea water again started to get a cooling. In that time, that a cool breeze started to blow from the sea to land. Because of this cool breeze, that land places are getting cool climatic condition. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾವ ಥರದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಬ್ರೀಸ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸಿ ವಾಟರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದ ವಿಂಡ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ? ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಿ ವಾಟರು ಮತ್ತು ವಿಂಡ್ ಏನು ಬ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರತ್ತೋ ಸಿ ಸೈಡಿಂದ, ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ನಿಯರ್ ರೀಜಿಯನ್ಸ್ದು ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಹಾಟ್ ವಿಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಯರ್ ರೀಜನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಫೇಸಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಹಾಟ್ ವಿಂಡ್ ಬ್ಲೋ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ರೀಜನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಹಾಟ್ ಕ್ಲೈಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. If that is cold breezes are blowing from the sea to land means they are facing cool climatic conditions. So that regions are having a moderate climatic condition. There is not too cold climatic condition or not too hot climatic condition. Okay, so this is about the factors affecting to the climatic condition of the places. Next topic is about the seasons. In our next class we can discuss about this topic. Okay, thank you.